Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to make a good Janitor AI bot. Alright, let's begin. First, open a browser and go to janitorai.com. To start creating your bot, navigate to the top right corner and select Create a Character. The first step is to add an image for your bot. You can drag and drop an image or click to upload one. For example, I found an image of an anime girl online and dragged it into the designated area. If you want to change the image later, you can easily do so. Next, enter a character name. You will also see an option for a chat name, which is optional but useful for interactions. If you see a red star next to the name field, it means you must provide a name. You can also add a character bio if desired. Scroll down to character tags where you can add relevant keywords. For instance, I will select tags like female, game, and celebrity. Next are privacy settings. Decide whether you want your bot to be public or private. I'll choose public. Then set the content rating as limited or limitless. Make sure to read the guidelines regarding character ages. Now describe your bot's personality and outline the scenario for conversations. Finally, create an engaging initial message and provide example dialogues to guide your character's responses. Once everything is set up, toggle on the character definition option and click Create Character. You should see a message confirming that your character was created successfully. So that's basically how you can make a good Janitor AI bot. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.